G'day everyone, and now for something completely different. I quite often do a Temu time where I find these cheap gardening products from Temu and see what they're like, let you know if they're worth buying. But this time we're doing Aldi time. They had all the gardening specials out and I got a few of them just to try out. The first one we're going to be trying out is this. Now this might look like a normal seed tray. I'll put the price up there. It wasn't that cheap. I think $15 or $16, but it looks like it's pretty good quality. I often buy, where have they gone? These ones from Temu, and you get them on special for just a couple of dollars each, so they're really good. And the reason I buy them is this flexible base, which means you can push the seedling out really easily without damaging the roots. This is the same, except the cells are bigger, and it comes with a underneath watering tray, so we can just put some water in there, pop this in, and not have to top water, and that's much better for the seeds. Continuing on, they also had these garden shears. I got the price here. They were only $6. Now if we compare that to the pair I got from Coles, let's just see how they look. They are definitely much more solid. Got a proper lock on them and a spring. Yep, seem to be fairly sharp. We'll try that on a few twigs. I'll see if I can find my Coles ones somewhere. So let's grab a stick and just see how this goes. Oh, there we go, just a little stick. Yeah, all seems fine. Nice and sharp. But the blades themselves look much, much better than those Coles ones. So for $6, I think they're good on your Aldi. So I'll link back to the Coles video where I bought these on their special buy. If we compare the two, these are so much heavier. Admittedly, for the $10 I did get two of these. I think it was $10. But even so, it's only $6. So how do they work? Well, the Coles ones work fine on thinner branches. Aldi ones are more comfortable and they work better. Much easier to cut through there. Cut properly. And when it comes to the thicker branches, try the Coles one. No, not going to do it. These ones, a bit of effort. But yes, that'll do it. These are very lightweight ones from Coles. Not a chance. So which would I buy again? Either? None? Both? Probably both actually. These were cheap, they're very light. If I lose them, I don't really care. They'll turn up rusty at some point. Cheap, heavier, seem to work fine, but are definitely a better quality. So I recommend the Aldi, but these Coles ones aren't too bad for the money. What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments. Now we also got some hanging baskets. And if we go back and have a look at the hanging baskets we got from Coles, let me just cut that liner out. They had the world's most transparent liners. This one, however, much, much better. It's a better shape, much thicker. And these were only $6 as well, I think. Let me just check. No, they weren't. They were $5, $4.99. The basket itself, if I can untangle it. There we go. It's actually quite a nice pattern. It's only a very light wire. Let's pop our liner back in. Liner's a good fit, which is nice. Quite often they aren't. There we go. Now, a couple of things I notice here. Not only is it much thicker than the horrible thin Coles ones. So if we look at this, not only is the liner a lot neater, thicker, it also has this little lip on it, which sits over the rim. And that's quite nice because that'll hold it in place quite well. So I'm rather impressed with them for $5. Not bad at all. And finally, what we've got as well, which is around here somewhere, is another one of these flower steps. This one is the stackable sort. I'm not sure if I had it before. Better go and check that. No, I had the Bunnings stackable and the Aldi fixed 3-tier. So I'll have a look at the stackable one. I'll link to the other videos. We'll put this together. Let's see how it compares to the Bunnings stackable one. So here we have it. All together. Only took, I suppose, 10-15 minutes. Really quick and easy to put together. It seems strong enough for what I want. And you may be interested to know why I'm buying all of these. It's for my new greenhouse. I want some decent shelves to put things on so it looks nice and neat and orderly. Would I normally do this? Nah, I'd use old milk crates or make something up myself. But for $40, because that's what it was, $39.99, it's full special buy price. That's it. So how does it compare to our Bunnings one? It's been sitting here a while, got a bit dusty. My initial opinion, Bunnings one's a little bit more solid. They're the same size, basically. So come in and have a look. So there they are there. You can see the Bunnings one at the front. Looking at them from above. So they've got a slightly different pattern. We can see the bars on here are quite a bit narrower compared to this one. But I don't think that's going to make a difference. So same price. But I'm happy enough with those. So what do I think all up? I don't think there's any difference between the quality of the Bunnings one, not enough to warrant any price difference, to the Aldi one. It's a little bit more solid, as I said, but the rusting out will be the thing we're really going to look at. So it's a coating that'll count more than the solidity. This one went together really, really easily, no problems at all. It was $10 cheaper, and basically the same size shelves. So yeah, I'd go the Aldi one rather than the Bunnings one. My opinion anyway. $50 full price, $40 full price. 3 shelves, yeah, it's all right. Anyway, let me know what you reckon. Would you actually buy any of these, or would you just make something up yourself? Remember to hit that like, subscribe and bell icon. You guys enjoy life. Catch you in the greenhouse when I eventually get it finished. We are getting closer. Update soon. Bye for now.